You can easily change the Mirka Diros backing pad from a 150mm pad to a 125mm pad by following our simple steps. You will need your Mirka Diros sander, your pad wrench, which is included in the box, and your new backing pad. Step 1. Retrieve your pad wrench and insert it in between the brake and the pad to find the nut. Step 2. Hold the wrench in place and unscrew the backing pad, turning it counterclockwise. Step 3. Remove the backing pad and replace it with the new backing pad, keeping the pad wrench in place. Step 4. Screw the new backing pad on, turning it clockwise, and tighten it using the pad wrench. And there you have it. The Diros backing pad is changed in 4 simple steps. Remember to change your backing pad when your current pad is worn. Not doing so could increase the sander's vibration and disrupt the sander's even weight distribution, causing damage to your sander.